So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to share your TikTok comments on WhatsApp. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the TikTok app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the home page of your TikTok account. Now we should have to tap on comment section, which is available on the right side of your screen. So tap on it. Now tap on a comment until you will see the option of share with. So you should have to directly tap on either copy link, messenger, WhatsApp, and many more options. So I'm sending on WhatsApp, so I'm tapping on it like this. Now choose a person whom you want to send that comment. So I am choosing myself, so I'm tapping on it, and you should have to tap on send icon, which is available on the lower corner of right side. So tap on it. Now see, we have successfully sent comments on WhatsApp from TikTok. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.